Don't you get me on the GoPro. Here comes Batty Boo with the torchlight. The last bit of gear that I haven't got. Shout out Batty Boo. We're running late, but here we'll move anyway. You got it there? It's off, it's off. So today's video is going to be wild camping in the Mournes, specifically Annalong Wood, which is in Annalong, basically. It's just up from Annalong. My mates left like 3 hours ago. I wasn't going to come today because it was down with a cold, but my GoPro arrived just about on time, got it set up, so we're heading there now. We're completely late, it's near 3 o'clock, it's dark at 4:15. I had planned to get my new drone up to get some shots today, but that might have to wait till tomorrow morning. So the plan is, they started at Donard. They're going to go up to Donard Saddle, Donard car park in Newcastle. They're going to go to Donard Saddle and then all the way over to Annalong Wood, like near Sleep Binion direction. I'm going to park at Carrickliddle in Annalong basically and just meet them in Annalong Wood. Not sure exactly where, but we'll figure that out when I get there, and hopefully set up our tents and stuff before it gets too dark. One last thing, I keep talking muck, but shout out Millstone Deli in Rathfriland. If you're coming from Lurgan direction, top of the hill, go right instead of left towards Newcastle. It's like the second left. It is easily, hands down, the best deli in the country. Hot or cold food. Check it out if you haven't been. And shout out Play Joski. This is my mate's raffle company. Great prices, great prices. I'm only shouting them out so they shout me out and get me loads of followers. But yes, check them out. They actually are a great raffle company. Right, see yous in the wood. As you can hear by my throat, there's a wee robin redbreast, hello. As you can hear by my throat, that was just pure ADHD there. As you can hear by my throat for the third time, I have got a very bad cold, probably a chest infection. Definitely shouldn't be camping out in 0 degree heat, 0 degree cold if you want to call it that. But for the sake of the channel and the first video, I'll do it anyway. I actually got pneumonia at the start of last year, which had a knock-on effect to my whole year, so I could potentially wake up with pneumonia tomorrow. And that's all for this video, so you know what to do. Give me a like, give me a follow, a subscribe, sorry. And what else is there? Comment. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, cheers. Currently walking up towards Annalong Forest, going to give the boys a ring here now and see what they're at, or where they're at. So, we've got 3 of them. Firstly, Mountain Matt, the man with the plan, the man with the miles on the legs. Doesn't want to be recorded, but we'll take some sneaky snapshots of him anyway. Next we've got AT Moore, aka Johnny Rotten. He's not very rotten, but we call him rotten anyway. He's actually a very nice fella. If you want to do something, he's your man. Josh is the yes man. If you ask him to do something, he's probably going to say yes. And then we've got Rooster Wright, retired boxer. Could have been a very good boxer. Racked his knuckle. He's now a highly interesting intellectual fella. Loves business, loves crypto. He's currently addicted to World of Warcraft. Used to be addicted to triathlon with me. He's going to get into wild camping, it seems. Severe ADHD, who knows what he'll be into next week, but so if you stay tuned, we'll find out next week what he's doing. Hopefully still camping with the boys. Oh wow, cheers mate. I'll do. Here he is. Well, Johnny Rotten.
You going?
How are you guys?
We can see the reservoir. We're about 500 metres from the reservoir, but we need to kind of go across like a bog to get there.
Happy days mate, that's literally perfect timing. I'm like, I don't know, half a mile away.
Sweet.
Sweet.
We'll go to the reservoir and you'll be able to see us tracking along.
Sounds good mate. Hello. Yeah. Well, we did plan to camp in Annalong Forest, but Annalong Wood, but there isn't much Annalong Wood left, it seems. And my phone's running out of signal, so no idea where these boys are. If you don't know the Mournes, that at the other side of the wood is Sleeve Binion, north and south. Then you've got the Saddle, and you've got Lamagan's, that big one. The far side you've got Silent Valley and Ben Crom Reservoir. Funny story about Sleeve Binion. like 6 years ago when I used to hike alone. I got to the top, didn't think there was anybody about, and just shouted, "Freedom!" Turned around and there's some boy standing right behind me, laughing his head off. Absolutely showed the bits. Just jumped off the rock and legged it the other way. There's the man there. Yeehaw! There's no forest left here, by the way. It's all gone. Chopped it all down.
But that spot's looking more and more appealing as we go on.
Back there?
Go for a look.
It's too far to the car. My car's like half a mile that way, to be fair. Let's go back this way.
So just I didn't know there was a fucking forest just chopped down.
Can't swear on YouTube more.
Sorry, cheap.
Jeepers.
You have to have it.
Come on. There we go. It's a really good spot to camp right at the tree there, but sure. There's mountain map over there hiding. So this is my big double deluxe glamping mattress. Foot pump. Where is it? Doesn't seem to work. Need to open that first. That's off now. And this is my shitty head torch because my good one doesn't work. See you in 30 minutes and this will be up. 45 minutes later, we have a bed with built-in pillows. So me and Mark can cuddle. How much water did I drink? 2.5 litres. Currently doing the 75 hard challenge, which requires you to drink a gallon of water a day. Only got a litre left, half litre left. So we're going to have to try and source. We're going to have to try and source 500 millilitres up river because this water's awful stale, or else I fail the challenge and to go back to day one. This is the setup. The full inside of it is a mattress. We've even got a pillow and a sleeping bag. Last time I was in tent was in the Highlands in the pissing rain for about 4 hours straight in a £20 halfers tent. Woke up, whole thing was drenched, so we've upgraded to this nice 2-man tent with a double mattress. I'm gonna sleep like the hotel. Boys are out there clacking wood for a fire. We're gonna get some grub on, see you soon. That by?
I'm just chopping some wood here.
What are you doing over here, Mar?
I'm chopping some wood.
Where's Rooster? Rooster! Yeah. What are you doing over there, fella? Huh? What are you doing over there, fella? Getting wood, man. Getting wood for the fire? Getting wood for the fire. Good man yourself. It's a nice piece of how would you know?
That's beef.
Beef?
Oh,
Where's beef today?
I don't know, he's sick, mate.
Sick?
We're all sick.
He's not sick, beef. Got a girlfriend, we haven't seen him in months. Not right, beef. No, only joking, mate, whatever, really.
And beef.
It's nice.
Go for your slides.
How'd you start that?
Just with fire lighters.
Nice.
Just for convenience. So.
Yeah, right.
I'm getting there.
How long have you been chopping for?
Fuck.
That's
10 minutes at least.
See about that.
So close, I'll stop around the back and
I'll get all of the pressure out of it while you're working it. Come on, we need the wood. Yes!
Hoorah! be alright here, actually. Yeah, we'll be alright. Just keep putting the smaller wee twigs in the middle there.
How big's she gonna go?
They're as big as we can, by.
Yeah, for sure. Gotta show the good of the bad out here, Josh.
It's not all pretty, so it's not.
Our fire didn't actually work, but we'll go again. We'll go again.
From the start.
Plan B, better tactics. Start with a small base and then get bigger.
You can definitely find water in 40 minutes when you're doing your walk.
We back, baby.
We are back.
That is a well-structured fire if I've ever seen one. What's for dinner, Josh?
Burgers, mate.
What are you cooking me?
Beef burgers.
Nice.
I'm gonna have to hold this if you can.
Double cheeseburger. Damn, son. Where you find Rory?
What?
Where you find Rory, you'll find tea.
Oh, aye, tea, man.
This man drinks 10 litres of tea a day. Not right. What are you eating there, Mountain Matt?
Bon appetit.
Ooh.
Pass the ball now, it's boiling the bag thing.
That looks delicious.
Legit.
Enjoy. 132, this is a workout. Another part of the challenge is 75 days. No cheating on your diet. So no chocolate like I'm trying to get me to eat. And no booze. These guys are drinking whiskey and eating chocolate. In chopping mood. Take her home, boy. Yep. 15 minutes into the workout, with 30 minutes to go. To pass my 75 hard challenge has to be 2 workouts at least 45 minutes each. We'll do 30 minutes of cutting this wood. Next time you see it, it's gonna be chop.
Nope.
I fell into a shock twice. Once more shot over the camera. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We're good.
Yeah, there is. Serious one.
This is a serious operation, boy. Update on the water situation for 75 hard. The boys have donated, so I don't have to go searching. Thank you, boys. That's us. Bedtime. Snug as a bug in a rug. Good night. Good morning. Very windy, very rainy last night. On a positive note, a new tent withstand the rain perfectly well. On a negative note, this deflated 3 times during the night, flipped it over to try and get more cushion out of it. I'm basically lying on hard ground here. So going forward, we're going to bend the big concrete mattress, invest in a wee robust, compact one. And yeah, it's still pissing down, so we're going to get the waterproof on, get this gear taken down and see what the plan of attack is. Really wanted to get the drone out for some morning footage there, but that's going to be weather permitting. The original plan was to go up along the valley towards Donard Saddle and hopefully find a wee rock pool, jump in, make some coffees, but again, that might not happen because of the weather. When the sun rises, we'll see how things change. I know you all want to see what gear more in the day. So we've got a Hydro Shell waterproof bughouse jacket. We've got the Hydro Shell waterproof bughouse trousers. Underneath we've got the hooded red bughouse jacket. Underneath that we've got the blue, woolly, fleecy bughouse jumper. Keep a bughouse. Soggy one. As you can see, Mountain Matt is packed up, ready to go and all. He's been to the reservoir, got the boys water to make some coffees, and now he's away for a poo in the forest. But we were talking there and he was saying, did you hear the rummaging about last night, like the foxes and all? I was like, no, I just said, I did actually hear footsteps, but I thought I was hearing things. He reckons it was foxes and all, running about right outside the tents, trying to rummage or ransack any of our goods, but thankfully they didn't get anything. Where were you, Matt?
Taking me poo-poo.
Did you wipe your arse? Good man yourself. It's snowing! How'd you sleep, Johnny?
Terribly bad.
Terribly bad?
Yeah, I was comfortable like, but I just couldn't get over it. I blame the rain though.
How'd you sleep, Rory?
Not great.
Why?
Just couldn't get to sleep, lad. Couldn't get to sleep, right?
Too many foxes about?
Too many foxes. Them gnomes, man. Can't trust any gnomes. Maybe about.
Might have been the goblins. The goblins were keeping the boys awake. What's the number one rule, Mer?
Leave no trace.
Leave no trace. So by the time we're out of here, there'll not be a single bit of mess left. Number one rule. No mess, no trace. There's the dad getting the coffee on, see your dad.
Oh, don't put her over the fire, man.
Delicious.
Yummy.
Is that for me? Is that for Rory?
Where's the lid, man?
I'll take Mars. No more, sure.
Always strong. Will be good.
Cheers, boys. Now that is a nice pot of coffee. Couldn't beat it with a big stick out in the wilderness, drinking coffee from a pot with all your mates.
Hell yeah.
Bring a saw for myself, bring a head torch for myself, bring everything for myself. I had nothing myself today.
Yeah, I agree with that. I need a good head torch. I need cutting equipment. Like I said, I need a new mat. And I need to bring me earplugs this time because the rain on that tent was insane. But it's all about learning. This is also my first wild camp out in the Mournes, believe it or not. I've been in the Mournes maybe 100 times. I've camped in campsites hundreds of times, but never actually went out with the gear to set up in a forest or whatever and do it all yourself. So good experience, nice learning points, and we'll be better next time. That was a lie. We just did North Coast 500 in Scotland during the summer there. Wild camped at least 6 of the nights, but it was just from the car. It wasn't actually all your gear on your back going into the forest or a mountain. So yeah, wild camp, but not in this sense. This is where we depart. The boys have got a 5-mile track way over that direction back to Donald Car Park. I have a 1-mile track back to Annalong Wood. Yeah.
Timer, isn't he?
Timer. Right, Matt, I'm away.
Right, lad.
Good luck.
Take it easy.
See us back at home.
Have a good one, mate.
Good luck. Keep her lit. Right, Rooster. Adios, amigos. One last learning point before I end this first YouTube video of the channel is the importance of fire. Didn't realise how important it was really until last night, especially in the dark winter months. It's dark from 4, 5 o'clock, so you have 6, 7 hours before bed. do. Personally, I like to be a bit productive instead of sitting about all day, get a bit bored. Once the fire's lit, keeps you warm obviously, you can dry your gear on it, you can cook food on it. It's a communal space for people to sit around. So going forward, I'm going to invest in some wood cutting equipment and fire starting equipment, because yeah, it really is an integral part of wild camping. And on that note, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for watching my first video. I hope there's more to come. Yeah, there will be. I was going to say if not, doesn't matter, but there will be. I'll try and be a bit more productive. Maybe once a week perhaps. So I'm going to upload this on Sunday, I think. And yeah, follow me, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. There's the mountain rescue team out. Hopefully the boys haven't wrecked themselves on the way home. Oh.